Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue with Adobe Premiere Pro while exporting a video. You got an error code, error compiling movie. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, the basic step, I recommend to go ahead, click on the option export, and at the time of export, under the format, from a drop down list, choose Apple ProRes. Then try to export your video. Now if this failed to work out, in next method, click on the file menu. Under the project settings, you will find the option of journal. Click on it. Under the renderer type, two options are available, OpenCL and software only. Select software only and then hit the OK button. Once you are done so, go ahead and try to export your video. If this also failed, next step, click on the edit menu, and from here under the preferences, you will find the option of media cache. Click on it. Under the media cache, remove media cache files, click on the option delete. Once it is completed, go ahead and try to export your video again. However, if nothing works, the only reason why it is giving you error compiling movie is because the issue is with your timeline right in your sequence. So to resolve out this issue, first of all, you need to check the timeline where it is giving you the error compiling movie. For example, right over here, if it is giving me the error at timeline 1109, the issue must be right over here. Sometimes we are overlapping two different videos with a normal speed and another with a more or less speed of the video. So if there is such kind of overlapping, the video will not be exported and you keep on getting error compiling movie. So make sure at the time of error, check the timeline, and at that timeline, recheck your sequence and check to find the failure mode. Once you find the failure mode, remove it, and this will completely fix out the issue of Premiere Pro error compiling movie. So that's all about it, friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much, friends. Thank you for watching.